Photo shooting for Premiere Pro. Here is a project you have just downloaded from Envato or from Elements, and in the mocked folder is all you need for Premiere Pro. Double click and enter this folder. Select all mocked files and drop them in the Essential Graphics menu in the Browse panel. All mocked files use the same controls. So this uses the Shoot button on the left and this one on the right. The portrait is always on the bottom. Let's see how you can customize this template. Let's select an HD, drop it in our timeline, select it. First of all, we need to place placeholders. Drag and drop an incoming media, and in placeholder number 2, an outgoing media. This is a transition use. Hitting spacebar, from this footage you go to this. Let's see some settings. First of all, you have to select the mocked file, and there is an option, a checkbox for scaling. This means that the UI is coming scaled. You can uncheck this checkbox and have the UI already set. This is useful in case you need to use this template as an overlay instead of a transition. Other than that, in this shutter and flash section, you have shutter on and off and focus blur on and off. So in this case, unchecking these checkboxes, you are not transitioning to the second footage, you just use it as an overlay. When you check the shutter, this uses a transition, a placeholder number 2. And the shutter has a drop-down menu where you can select whether you need this kind of flash, a simple flash, a shutter, or a simple shutter. In this folder, there is a sound effects folder including 10 sound effects. So you can add a sound effect and you have a selection of 10 sound effects for that. Let's proceed to our customization option and close our shutter and flash category. Let's go to the colors. There are 3 colors here. Let's have our first color blue. The second color is for these gray details. And finally, there is color number 3, which is for the background. The background includes sliders, so you can adjust the aspect of your photo of or footage inside. UI elements. From here, there's a line width slider to adjust the lines, a record button including a size and a position, as well as a checkbox to select whether the dot is blinking or not. A battery category, including size, battery level, and the colors. Of course, there's an option for position. Volume, including a size, a different volume graphics, and position, of course. Icons, 4 drop-down menus, 32 icons each. Here is the flash off. We can select to have a 4K, scale it, and move it. The same for all 4 categories here. Lines, save lines. There's a drop-down menu with 10 different save lines. And center lines, another 10 options here. Timecode, in case you work in a video. Bottom numbers, these numbers here. Photo or video button, this main shooting button. You can swap. Top arrow, this one. And finally, there is the text. The text meaning these 5 categories. You can edit the cinematic, video, photo, and make your own choice what is selected here. I hope you enjoy working with these photo shooting overlays or transitions for Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.